Okay, today I'll be making yogurt out of my Instapot Duo Gourmet machine. So, yogurt. So, the ingredients na laang. The only ingredients na masapot tayo is this one. Today is January 12. It's 50% off kasi expire na January 12. So, kinalakon. So, 2 days from now. So, ibig sabihin half price ata. Plus, atin so, there's only 2 ingredients in making a yogurt using your Instapot with yogurt function on it. So, atin adati, pinirik atin kasi $2 sa atoy. You need 2 tablespoons of a plain yogurt, and make sure balot, make sure that you have what's that, make sure that you have the what's the ingredients here, apa na yung ingredients na ito yan, napukaw, ay active bacteria ko na you need to have you need to have that here, where is it? Diyan na labo atin Ayan na niya. Active bacteria cultures. So, dapat data. So, 2 tablespoons lang. So, it's very simple. It's very easy in the morning at the fresh sugar pen. So, all you need to do, can you hold this one pa? Can you hold it like that? Sarang. So, all you need to do is to pour your I got 3%, but you can use any percentage na homogenized milk, 3%. So this is 4 liters. So pour everything into your Instapot. So ready. So, data. And then, make sure when you're using an active, kasi since active is una, hanyo kayo tijay na open. It should be newly open. So, the seal is not broken. So, you just say, iba ka tayo 2 tablespoons, but I'll probably put like 3. Hanga tablespoon talaga na jay isla tuwa nga kasta
halos nagtutuan na
tapos i-shake tayo lang atoy shake mo lang atoy so daytoy hanga nasamit daytoy, but if you like a little bit sweeter, we can add condensed milk. So, I'll just use plain lang natin, plain yogurt. Yummy. So, i-close tayo. So, the tanan yogurt. So, Instapot, all you need to do is to press the yogurt button. And it says 8. So this one will be cooked in 8 hours. So 8 hours until it's ready. Okie dokie. So in 8 hours in the morning, you have a fresh yogurt on your table. Okay. We'll see it tomorrow. Hello. Good morning. Yogurt. Naluto yung yogurt tayo. Ngayon kami po di rabi. So just make sure nga no sorry aja Instapot yogurt aja ini kasi pressure cooker lata ato ini. And to be safe, probably kailangan tayo i-preset ini just to make sure na ang talaga ti pressure. Pero once the button is down, then amo yung nga it's safe to open. So it ends. Ikan tayo. Open to get the unsweetened, so that you get unsweetened yogurt. try ko tata nga agi reserve ti may sa para di active ingredient ko if it still works kasi it will save me money nga hana ko nga gumatang did yung may isang ati active bacteria na. Right? Okay. Kapag tayo container tayo namin nun. And then we'll see later how much like dito yung 4 liters milk. 4 liters of milk na naka 50% off yung groceries but it's not yet expired or we haven't reached the best before date and kumisan kundi jay $1.99 nga plain yogurt nga that active bacteria na. So basically we just spent $3.50. So we'll see later kung ilang container ang manong container di napuno tayo. Okie-dokie, see you in a bit. Hello, so purchase tayo out of 4 liters of milk. Like from $3.50 na spend tayo, we marami tayo di 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 rubber may container na tikarga na ang tikat 490 something, so almost 500 mils in each container ka dito mati tikas na almost 300 296 or something 300 mils. So 1, 2, 3, let's say estimate 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so 503 liters kan 1, 2, 3, 4 4 nga 1.2 approximate latan 1.2 plus 2 liters katong 200 dan. So give and take, so the milk mo 4 liters tanggalin mo 4 liters na yogurt lang by adding just 2 spoonful of active bacteria. Okie dokie. Okay, until next time, bye. Okay, so the 4 liters na yogurt tayo na store ka amin dito yun. The fridge, and again, it's good for 2 weeks. Pero the yogurt, since it's yogurt, it's still good as long as na-refrigerate suna. There you go. Kung try ko mag-ibati ti may sa tata, try sa therapy tato active bacteria later. No, if it works.